Want to know one of the simplest and best ways to keep track of your work? Checklists. They're short and sweet, but incredibly powerful. You'll find them being used by doctors, teachers, builders, and so many others. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to make checklists with checkboxes in Microsoft Word quickly. The first key to success? Well, start with a premium Microsoft Word template from Envato Elements. Elements is a resource for creatives with a powerful offer behind it: unlimited downloads. Yes, you heard right. For a flat monthly rate, you can download and use as many creative assets as you want. Not only will you find Word templates, but also stock photos, fonts, audio, and more. In this tutorial, I'll use a template called Letterhead for Microsoft Word. It's really a versatile and stylish file for Word that you can use for practically anything. It's filled with sleek graphics and borders that really help you make an eye-catching and stylish document. Here, we're going to make it into an interactive Word checklist with checkboxes. Jumping over to Word, I've got the template file opened up. We're going to be using this empty space in the middle to add a Word checklist. I've gone ahead and updated the text at the top to showcase an example brand. This shows the flexibility of templates. The text is just a placeholder. You can easily swap it out for your own words. Now, checklists really have three key objectives. They help you remember items. They help you remember items in a specific order. And finally, they help ensure specific tasks are completed and documented. To start off, you'll want to list off the items on your checklist. Working inside the text placeholder here, start typing in items as you're seeing me do. You can make your list as long or short as you want. That's the beauty of a custom checklist. A good rule of thumb is to keep them simple. Remember, they're job aids, not chores. Once your list is keyed in, click and drag your cursor to select it. Then come up here to the Home tab on Word's ribbon. Find the bullets icon here and click on the drop-down arrow right beside it. To make a checklist that you can print out and use, click on Define New Bullet down here at the bottom. Word opens up the Customize Bulleted List menu. As you can see, you have tons of options. For this example, I'll click Bullet here, then choose the Wingdings font from the drop-down. Once it appears, you can see these blank square bullets here. Click on one of them to select it, then choose OK. As you can see, Word then formats your list with blank boxes beside each item. When you print out your file, you can use those spaces to pencil in check marks to show checklist items complete. Now, let's imagine that you want an interactive checkbox. While the option above works great on printed paper, it doesn't serve much use if you want users to check boxes inside the Word file itself. Jumping back to our original list, let's add interactive checkboxes. Start by placing your cursor in front of the first item in your list. Then go up here to the Developer tab. Once again, it sits on Word's ribbon. See this checkbox button? Click on it and Word will insert a clickable text box onto your sheet. Then, to add the checkbox to your other items, you can simply copy and paste. Highlight the text box as you're seeing me do here, then press Ctrl-C to copy it. On Mac, you'll need to use Command-C. Jump down to the next item in the list and press Ctrl or Command+V to place a checkbox there. Then simply repeat for your remaining items. Flashing forward, you can see how great custom interactive checkboxes look in Word. One last tip. The font itself is part of your checklist style. And remember, Envato Elements has thousands of custom fonts to choose from. Once again, these offer unlimited downloads for a flat rate. Check out the font library today and choose your new favorites for your next checklist. As you can see, Microsoft Word offers two incredible ways to build checklists with checkboxes quickly. The best way is to start off with a beautiful premium Word template from Envato Elements. It's the creative powerhouse you can't afford to miss out on, so join Elements today. Then download your favorite Word checklist template and start building amazing checklists in seconds. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, and be sure to subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There you'll find content roundups along with more amazing tutorials just like this one. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks again for joining me.